Really welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you what a fingerling looks like when you take the head off. I thought like a monkey fingerling or anything like that. It's still a fingerling, but it's a dinosaur one. So if you have like a dinosaur fingerling, this is what it looks like in the head. Right, boom. Look at this. I'll bring it over here. So over here, yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget, tomorrow is my birthday. Yeah. Don't ask how old I'm gonna be. Because I'm gonna be 10. Yeah, I'm gonna be 10. No, I'm gonna, yeah. Guess what I want for my birthday? What's this? What's this? You guessed it. What? It begins with V-Bucks! Tomorrow because he's birthday, V-Bucks! Oh, someone's coming. So yeah, this is what it looks like, the eyes. Yeah. I'm gonna bring... Look. So yeah, well, his eyes like this. And when it blinks, it just does this. It does this. Turns around. Like that. Same goes to the other one. And here, I think it's like I'm not sure what this is. Looks like it came from back here. Or maybe in here. I don't know. Or maybe in here actually. Let me try that out. Okay, so it's working time. It's now... is it? Oh, hang on. I guess I'll put just... I can't talk. Hang on. Oh, wait, hang on. I think I got this bit right. At least I've done something right. So yeah, it goes like that. Boom. Oh, hang on. This bit, guys. No, we'll leave it there. That. Right down. Everybody said boom. Hopefully this bit, the dinosaur head, fits on. Ah! Look. Ah, no! Sorry, I'm weird. Most people probably know that. Oh, wait. It don't work. Oh no. But yeah, this is what it looks like if I take this bit off. Boom. I'm going to keep it in there. Let me just do that really quick. Oh, hang on. Boom. Boom. Ba, ba, like a... This might be the speaking bit. Or maybe it's down here the speaking bit is. But yeah, I'm just going to... This is what it looks like inside. It's looking at you. If you subscribe, I will not come to your house. But subscribe. I might do a support creator code. But I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, don't forget to join me on Fortnite. In one of my Fortnite videos, you'll see my name. And don't forget to play with me. Anyway, yeah. God damn it. Put it right in there. There you go. I don't think this bit will come out. Mission failed. We'll get them next time. Sorry. If you didn't know what that was a knife. But don't use knives, kids. They all say. I think I'm just talking to myself, guys. But all I got to do is to stick this stick. Anyway. So yeah. That'll be 5 minutes. It's 5. No, it's not 5 minutes. But, so yeah, my birthday's tomorrow. Oh, hang on. Wait, hang on. No, guys, we lost the arm. We lost the eye. We lost the eye. Oh no, we lost the eye. Well, we didn't lose it, but this dinosaur has bad luck. I'm gonna keep it up here. I wake up in the morning, I got rivers down my mind. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget. Oh yeah, don't forget my birthday's tomorrow, and I might. Oh yeah, like and subscribe if you like season 9 of Fortnite. But don't forget to take the out on the haters. I mean, people that don't really love you. Bye.